Hey guys, it's Lindsay with Organize to Save, and today I'm going to get my KonMari on and tackle my closet. So if you're not familiar, Marie Kondo, she's like huge right now. Everybody's been watching her new show on Netflix, me included. I've binge watched them all, and today I'm going to try to tackle my closet because I know there are so many things in there that I've just not worn because it does not bring me joy, as Marie Kondo would say. So come with me today if you want to see how I tackle my closet and get my KonMari on. Before we dive in, if you are new, welcome. My name is Lindsay, and on my channel I talk all about getting you organized to save your time, money, and space. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos as I post them every single Wednesday. But let's go ahead and dive in and I'll show you what we've got going on. Alright guys, so first things first, I have my fuel here, I have my coffee, got some water behind me, and surprise, surprise, I am going to be having her show playing in the background so that way it keeps me motivated throughout the process. Everything on the floor here is clean. I did the laundry beforehand, so that's a good thing to keep in mind, is to make sure that you have all your laundry caught up so that way you are actually going through all of your clothes. Another thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that your bed is cleared off, because you are going to take everything out of your closet and put it on your bed so that way you have a clean surface that you can sort through everything. So I literally just took every single item out of my closet so that way I could sort through it. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at how many clothes I had. This is just insane to me to see the amount of stuff. Now, as you start sorting through it, you're really going to want to hold every single item. Ask yourself if it brings you joy. If not, then go ahead and put it in a basket for donation or to sell. A great place to start is with some things that you know that are going to be easy for you to go through. So like your t-shirts, or if your pants are really easy for you to go through, just start somewhere that is going to be a lot easier. So for me, I went through that kind of stuff first, and then I went to all my hanging clothes because I knew my hanging clothes were going to be a little bit trickier for me just because there was so many things. So as I got through a category, I started putting them back into my closet. So like my pants and my dresses I put back in the closet. So as you can see, I'm actually putting them in with the hangers backwards. So stay tuned to the end to figure out why I did that. So you might notice that I'm in a different outfit. Well, it's because it's the next day. I had to take a little bit of a break yesterday because I came down with a massive migraine headache. So I'm picking it back up today. And I just want to encourage you guys, if you get stressed out during the project, it's okay to take a break. If you need to, mentally just leave it alone for a night and come back to it the next day, that is all right. Now, I would encourage you though, don't leave it for too long because otherwise it's just gonna get into an even bigger mess. But if you need to just take a rest, it's all right. Go for it. You got this, girl. So take a breather, take a minute, go grab yourself another cup of coffee like me, and then just hop right back into it. So let's go ahead and get this done. So obviously one of the big things that Marie Kondo is known for is her folding process. So you'll see here that I started folding my t-shirts just how she folds them, as well as my socks and all my workout gear. But the one thing that I did not fold like Marie Kondo is my sweatshirts. I really like to fold them. I've shown this in other videos in the past, but I like to fold them and kind of loop the hood around the sweatshirt so that way it keeps it in a nice package. And it just fits better in the bins that I have to do it that way. So it's still like the file folding method, like what she uses. It's just a little bit different. So that's the only thing that I did not follow. Another great space saver is to actually store your bags inside of your bags. So here you see I took one of my largest bags and just put all the other travel ones inside of it, and that I just store on the very top of my shelf. I did it. I'm done. I just finished completely going through every single thing in my master closet. Now keep in mind it was just my clothes. Hopefully I'll tackle my hubby's in the future. But I got rid of so much stuff and it feels so much lighter. I really like everything that's in my closet right now. So let me show you what it looks like afterwards. I have so much more space in my closet now. It's so easy to see everything that I have. And here's the hack that I talked about with the hanger flipped. All that I do is flip around so they're backwards, and then every 6 months I will go through and see what is still flipped around. If I know I'm not going to wear it, I'm going to go ahead and take it out and donate it or sell it. So here's all my folded up socks. I fold them exactly how Marie Kondo does, but using that kind of file folding method makes it so easy to see everything that's in your space. So now I have a completely cleared space so that way I can plan out my outfits that I pick out for the week. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you liked this KonMari style, please give this video a big thumbs up. That just lets me know that you like this style so I can make more organizing videos for you. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any other organizing videos coming your way. And if there is a specific spot that you'd like to see me KonMari next, leave it in the comments below and we'll see what I can do. We'll catch you guys next time.